Hey guys, what I'd like to show you today is how, when, and why to prune petunias. Now, you may be wondering, why would you want to prune something that's only here for one summer? But I'm going to show you why. You'll see that I've actually already started cutting back on these petunias. They look pretty good now, but after we had a hard rainfall last week, they weren't looking so pretty. And the reason for that is because the petunias keep getting taller and taller to try to reach for that sun. If you want to get the most out of your petunias, the best thing you can do is give them a good little trim, probably about halfway through the summer. So it's really simple. It's really frustrating too, because they're not going to look so hot for a few days, but that's okay, because when they come back, they're going to be even more splendid than they once were. You can see these are really tall. I would think they're probably maybe even getting to be about 12, 14 inches. As you can see, each one of these little nodes is eventually going to produce its own little flowers. We're just going to speed up that process. So, to prune a leggy petunia, all you need to do is hold the petunia with one hand and pull it away from the other plants so you're easily able to see where and what you'd like to cut. Find the node nearest to where you'd like to cut your petunia. Just cut as close to that node as you can, and that's it. So just keep doing this until you've trimmed all of your petunias back to where you're pleased with them. As I said, I did leave the outside edge of my petunias, as I really do like the way that they are cascading over the sides of my border. So I don't have any reason to remove that. Always remember to deadhead your petunias too. When you don't deadhead them, you're preventing new flowers from forming, which does make them increase in height as well. So you want to prevent that from happening as much as possible. I'm guilty of letting mine go for several days without doing it too. It happens, but it's always good to get in there at least once a week and clear out anything that's not looking great. I'm putting up a picture of what my petunias looked like about 2 weeks ago. You can see how full they were and how many blossoms there were. That's what I'm trying to help them get back to. And within about 2 weeks or so, they should look exactly the same as they once did. I will continue to fertilize them weekly with a bloom boosting fertilizer. I really hope that you found this video helpful, and I hope it's given you the push that you need to give your petunias a little trim if they're not looking as good as you know they can. Have a great day. See you in the next video.